Free Cash can be a good site to join to earn extra cash, cryptos, or skins. What makes it a good option is that it pays well, it pays quickly, it has great payout options, and has great support. Freecash.com, previously freeskins.com, is a site that promises you can earn money, cryptocurrencies, and free skins by doing different online micro-tasks. It even claims the average user can earn $10 plus per day complete for free. But is Freecash legit and really an easy way to earn some extra money online, or is it a scam to stay away from? I have joined and tested it myself and compared it to the hundreds of similar sites I have tested over the last few years. And let me just make it clear right away that Freecash is legit. I have been paid by it many times myself. You can see payment proof later below. But that does not necessarily mean it is the right opportunity for you. This 2023 Freecash review will give you an inside look and show everything the site offers, so you will know exactly what to expect and can determine if this site is worth your time or not. So, let's go ahead and start the review, shall we? What is Freecash.com, and what does it offer? Let's start by the name to avoid any confusion. Freecash started as freeskins.com but rebranded itself in August 2021. So whether you hear about freeskins.com or freecash.com, it is the same platform, but it has now officially changed its name to Freecash. Let me just reveal right away that freecash.com is a legit get paid to GPT site that will really pay you for answering surveys and completing offers. I will show you payment later in this review so you can see for yourself. It is a fairly new site compared to many others, but so far, I am impressed with what they have done, and one thing I really like is that the people behind it seem to put a lot of effort into continuously improving the platform. When it first started, it was mainly aimed at gamers and gave them a way to earn free skins. That was why it was called freeskins.com. However, it later started offering a lot of great opportunities for all and a lot of different rewards, more on this later, and then also rebranded itself to reflect this. Now Freecash offers a lot of ways you can earn and get rewarded no matter who you are and how you prefer getting paid. But to truly understand how well you can earn from this site and if it is the right option for you or not, let's take a closer look at the earning opportunities it offers. Option 1: Paid offers. One of the best ways to earn on Freecash is its paid offers. You can find these offers in the offerwall section. If this is your first time hearing about offerwalls, they are basically in-site advertising platforms that promote certain websites and apps through paid offers. These paid offers will usually ask you to either answer a survey or quiz, play a mobile game, download a mobile app, sign up for a site, and a lot more. Every paid offer you will find on Freecash's offerwalls will tell you how many coins you will earn. So you can easily prioritize which offer to do. When you click on an offer, it will show you the instructions or steps you need to do to complete the offer. So, make sure to take note of the instructions provided. If you miss one step, you will not be able to complete the offer. What I did notice, though, is that they don't have as many offerwalls as some other GPT sites. But the ones they have will give you access to a lot of offers. The good thing is that most of their offerwalls have decent rewards. So, you'll be able to earn a decent amount from completing these paid offers. In fact, I have compared the rewards they give to some of the other highest paying GPT sites, and in most cases, Freecash pays quite a bit more for the exact same offers. Also, sometimes they have bonuses where you, for example, will get a 50% bonus on all offers you take on a certain offerwall for a limited time. This is definitely worth keeping an eye out for, as it can really boost your earnings. Also, Freecash offers something I have not seen on other GPT sites. At the very top of the dashboard, they have a section called Featured Offers. This is a section that displays the highest paying tasks completed by other Freecash users in your country. This makes it a lot easier to find the offers and surveys you have the highest chances of completing and earning from. So this is a nice little extra touch, in my opinion. Option 2: Paid surveys. Another way you can earn from Freecash is by answering their paid surveys. And just like their paid offers, the paid surveys will come from other platforms. Their paid surveys work a lot like offer walls in a sense. The only difference is that instead of paid offers, you will be given access to different surveys. When you answer a survey, you will first have to build your profile. This is to determine which surveys they will send your way. Once you've finished answering their profile questions, you will then see the surveys available for you. Every survey will tell you the estimated time it takes to complete it as well as the reward you will earn for completing it. So, if you are strapped for time, you can simply choose the surveys that don't take long to complete. When you click on a survey, you will first have to answer a set of qualifying questions. This is to determine if you belong to the demographic the survey is intended for. If you qualify, you get to answer the actual survey. However, if you fail to qualify, you just have to move on to the next survey available. One good thing about how their surveys work is that the more surveys you complete, the more high-paying surveys will be offered to you. So, it will be more beneficial to answer as many surveys as possible. One thing to note with this earning opportunity is that some survey routers will only be accessible once you've earned a certain number of coins. Overall, the surveys on freecash.com pay quite well for your time compared to many other sites. As on all other GPT and survey sites, you just need to remember that you will not qualify for all surveys. That is very normal, so do not let it discourage you if there are some surveys you do not qualify for. Just keep going, and then you will find available ones, and then they usually give quite good rewards. Option 3: Referral Program. You can earn bonus rewards by inviting other people to join their site. This is called a referral program. All you have to do is share your invite referral link, and once they sign up using your link, they will become your referral. And as shown in the photo above, you will earn 5% of whatever they will earn on the site, which will, of course, be shouldered by FreeCash. It will not be deducted from your referral's earnings. Plus, your referral will also receive 100 coins as a welcome bonus for signing up using your link. So, it's a win-win situation for you both.
Today in this video I will mainly talk about income from home through your two websites. Hopefully you will definitely watch the video with patience without dragging any kind of video. You can learn a lot in this few minutes video. And yes, if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. And thanks in advance for subscribing. I discuss how to earn money online in this channel. Hope you found the right channel. Earning at home is no longer a fantasy, true as day and night. Because today's world is internet-centric. Almost everything is done online now. So the opportunity to earn from home online is unlimited, which has appeared in front of all of us in a very real form during the corona period. Now we are very familiar with the work from home thing. So it can easily be said that it is very possible to earn from home. But you have to proceed with a specific goal along with the right idea about ways to earn from home. There are many ways to earn from home. Success is possible only through long-term planning and implementation. It's not like I started today and money will start coming from tomorrow. There are many temptations and fraud traps online. So be careful and choose the way to earn online by knowing everything. Today we will discuss in detail ways to earn from home. A sure way to earn from home nowadays, everything is running on an online platform. So there are plenty of opportunities to earn by working online. And this work can be done at home. There are surefire ways to earn from home. It is only necessary to acquire skills according to the job requirements. Learn more about sure ways to earn from home.